The Refactory in Flins has become the group's first factory in Europe, entirely dedicated to the circular economy. The historic plant's conversion is the embodiment of a new profit-making, sustainable and digitalized industrial model. Founded on a vehicle's potential value at every stage of its lifespan, the model offers extra leverage in terms of competitiveness for Renault Group. The Factory VO, used car factory, reconditions used cars of any brand, taking advantage of the full range of the site's industrial know-how, the remanufacturing skills of teams from Choisy-le-Roi, and the support of Gaia, a subsidiary specialized in repairing batteries and recycling. With over 45,000 vehicles reconditioned a year, by 2025, the Factory VO, used car factory, will be the largest reconditioning site in Europe. Thanks to Mobilize's expertise in mobility and energy, batteries will benefit from a second life, turning into stationary storage for occasional energy needs. Subsidiaries of Renault Group bring their know-how in the fields of collecting, dismantling and upcycling parts and materials, granting the Refactory a competitive edge. By 2025, the activities accomplished in Flins in the framework of the Refactory will weigh up to €200 million in revenue. The group capitalizes on both its industrial know-how in Flins and its trailblazing commitment to the circular economy, reinforcing its footprint in France and developing new skills with high added value. Stampers, electromechanics and specialists in retro-engineering, batteries and data. By 2025, the Refactory's University and Professional Training Centre will have initiated over 4,000 people into circular economy activities. To accelerate and make the most out of that research, the Refactory brings a broad network of partners together in an incubator. A strategic bridge between the laboratory and the plant's activities, the group's Industrial Innovation Centre in Flins is developing new activities like prototyping, 3D printing, maintenance, and upgrading production equipment to serve Industry 4.0 and the ecological transition. This first Refactory's roots go deep into the Renault Group's history and are inventing a new industrial model for the sake of more sustainable mobility.